In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a map sensor on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Remove the connector off the map sensor. Using a T20 bit, remove the screw. Now remove the bolt by hand. Wiggle the sensor and pull it straight out. Install the new sensor. Make sure it's fully seated. Get your bolt started by hand. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Snug the bolt down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.